My nephew's asked if we can make a YouTube video together, and I can't think of a better way to spend a day. So I'm really looking forward to doing this. He's nearly here, so we're going to make something together, and it's just going to be a load of fun. Hey dude, how you doing?
Good.
You ready to make a video? Here you go, we got Grogu. So what do you want to do today, Zeke?
Fix the lightsaber.
We're going to fix the lightsaber, it's a good start. Paint a bit of switch to begin with.
Yeah.
And what else do you want to do after we fix the lightsaber? You gonna look at some Lego?
Sure.
But first, we need to play some Switch. It's important. You're painting the Escort, are you?
I'm playing.
What game are you playing?
Auto Rally.
The Rally. It's one of my favourites.
Let's go.
Whoa, big jump. You jumped the car, did you?
Yeah.
A lightsaber. Have you got a lightsaber? Where'd you get that from?
You.
So here we've got a lightsaber. I made this for Zeke for his birthday, but for some reason the electronics inside have stopped the sound from working. So we're going to go out to the Jedi workshop, aren't we? And we're going to go figure out what's wrong with it. So here we are in the Jedi workshop. Special Jedi light. There we go, look at that, it's better. Okay, so I'm going to take the blade out. Undo him. Left, that's the way, yep. That should be enough. I'm going to take the blade out, okay.
Oh, I've never seen a blade.
Oh, haven't you taken the blade out before?
No.
Yeah, look at that, we got ourselves a lightsaber handle. Pretty cool, isn't it?
There's a light. I turn on here.
Yeah, you should be able to see them. Just be careful, they'll be pretty bright. This is the inside here of the lightsaber. Should come off like that. And then we can turn the electronics back off.
Then that's the speaker there.
That's the speaker there, yeah. So we've taken the pommel here off, the kill switch back in, which means there's no power running through any of the electronics. Now we're going to pull the rest apart. There it is. I go left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I'm trying to remember how I built this now. I forgot how I made it. There it goes. There it is. And there's that there. So this is the inside of your lightsaber. This is what we call the chassis.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see here, that's a speaker. For some reason, that speaker's not working.
When it turns on, it makes the noise, right?
It should, yeah.
How long did that take?
This took me a very long time. I made all these parts on what's called a lathe.
Okay.
So I machined all these parts up for you. Yeah,
You
so,
take that off.
yeah, so
That's like
these
from
are...
Disneyland. You put these bits.
That's right, it's a very similar idea, isn't it? So see this, we've got a big O-ring. And that holds these in place. So you see all these parts? I made all these. This took me a very long time because that was a solid piece. So you had a machine all inside there.
That's heavy.
Put all these special patterns on there for you. And I drilled these holes so the sound could come out the speaker. So, but all the components I bought from a shop. So I bought, this is called the chassis. Then this is our board. And then the speaker and the charge port and the buttons and the light. I bought all
And
that.
the pin came from the
Yep, they came with the kit as well. But I had to put it all together. I had to do all the wiring. It took me forever. I sat out here watching Star Wars, the iPad, while I made your lightsaber.
What?
So it looks like our soldering iron doesn't want to work for some reason, which is amazing. That's not frustrating at all.
I know that much second for a good. Staring at the camera. Going to the shop.
So what are we going to go look at?
Lego.
Lego, yes.
Hey.
Oh, Darth Vader.
Look.
Look at that, lightsabers.
Looks. Darts.
Oh, red one. Stormtroopers don't have lightsabers.
Why does Grogu? Grogu shouldn't have one.
He shouldn't have one. He's a Jedi, isn't he?
Even Commander doesn't need one. Jenga, Boba Fett, Stormtrooper, and Darth Vader.
A Darth Vader one.
We got Travel on Tatooine.
You get the child on that one, do you? That's pretty cool.
Child. A child. But yeah, these are all the ones I have right now.
Who's your kid, eh?
I got this one from Cairns. Granite. 7 and 8.
What?
Yo,
7 and 8? Who would have known?
I didn't even know. This one.
Yeah, that's a good one, eh?
I just played online. This game, this game, this game.
You got Mario Golf?
Yeah, I think I did find it. His tail lights up, guys. It probably would instant kill all fires in Warhammer.
Instant kill, you reckon?
Yeah. It's so heavy!
It's so heavy, isn't it?
I could break a top. We are cooking barbecue.
Barbecue?
Barbecue in here. Big coal. Big coal. Yep. This is the tornado.
All the way around. Ta-da.
Hey. There's all smoke coming.
Already smoking, isn't it?
Chicken.
Chicken wings. Marinated chicken wings. You like them?
Yes. They are delicious.
Delicious?
Very delicious.
So we're going to smoke the meat as well by putting on some smoking chips. Alright, we're back in the Jedi workshop, and what do we got here, Zeke?
A mini soldering iron.
We went and got a new soldering iron, because this old one here, well, it wasn't even old, but it doesn't work anymore, which is annoying. So we got a new one. So let's have a look, hey? What's in here? Wow, it's like a little control unit, is it? I'm going to take them out of the packet. Okay, so we now have a working soldering iron. Need to melt the solder here. There we go. Alright, so that's our speaker out. Have a look.
Cool. Pretty heavy.
Pretty heavy, you reckon? So there's two things that could be wrong here. The speaker's no good, or the board's damaged. Now, if the speaker's no good, I can get another speaker, and that's not really a big drama. If the board's damaged, it gets a little bit trickier. This piece here is actually touching the body of the magnet, and I just wonder if that's been damaged as I've put it into the chassis. It's pushed back and earthed out there, and that's no good. I wonder if that's all that's wrong, but yeah, it looks like our little speaker here is not making any more noise. Okay, so we've come into the computer here, and what we've got is 8 ohm 2-watt speaker. And we've come over to Guardian Sabers, where I got all of my parts from to begin with, and it's $12 for a new one. These guys are awesome. They stock so many parts if you want to make your own saber, and they're here in Australia and very passionate about custom saber making. Highly recommend.
Hey, Grogu. Turn that way. Go that way.
Hey, so it's been a few days, and look what we got here, something in the mail. Let's check this out. Ta-da! So here we go, in this nice little 3D printed container, we have a brand new speaker. Just wire that into the board, and hopefully that's the problem fixed, so let's get to it. Okay, so the speaker's wired in. Let's plug the battery in and see what happens, hey? Yes! Ah, it's working! It's working! Alright, that's awesome. Okay, so we can look at getting this all back together now, because we now have sound. Oh, that's huge relief. Let's put this lightsaber back together. Okay, here we go. You ready? Yes! Pew, pew. I love it. Okay, I promise, I'm putting it back together. Okay, so we've got lots of different sound fonts that we can use.
Velocity, essence, 501 commit. The Dark Order.
The Dark Order. Let's give that a go. I like this one. Oh, this is cool. Oh, that's like a Boba Fett gun from Slave 1. Oh, it's like a pod racing one. Oh, pod racing sounds, yes! It's all the sounds from the pod racing scene. I love this thing. So there we go. We now have sound, and this can go back to the young fella. Exciting stuff. May the Force be with you.